So Halloween's right around the corner, guys. And we all know that buying a costume can sometimes cost an arm and a leg. So if you're looking for some fun, creative, do-it-yourself costumes that won't haunt your budget, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Star Tower, your financial fitness coach, here to empower you to become financially healthy and to live the life and retirement that you and your family deserve. Welcome to Fitness Friday, where I give you quick win habits and exercises to help you kickstart or continue on your financial fitness journey. So in the spirit of Halloween, which I'm really excited about, one of my favorite holidays, I'm going to share 10 do-it-yourself costumes that won't haunt your budget. They'll be based on the biggest moments and current events of 2024 and will run the gamut from pop culture to tech trends to viral moments to politics. And these ideas will inspire you to get spooky and crafty without breaking your budget or your bank. And the good thing is, it will include things that you already have in your home or that you can maybe borrow from someone very easily. So let's get started. Number 1, AI artist. So as you know, AI generated images and art have continued to be all the rage this year. So you can easily create an AI artist costume with an artist's smock, holding a canvas or frame with some AI viral art printed onto it, and you can top off that creative look with a beret. Number 2, AI chatbot. So to continue along the same theme of AI, you can transform yourself into an AI chatbot. Use some cardboard boxes to create your robot costume, paint it white or whatever you want your chatbot color to be, maybe wear some headphones, and print out a mobile screen image with "Hello, chatbot name, how can I help you today?" and stick that to your body. And that's sure to get the people around you chatting. Number 3, Taylor Swift Eras Tour. For all you Swifties out there, this is a very iconic and easy look to create. All you have to do is wear a sparkly dress and use a microphone as a prop. If you don't have a sparkly dress, maybe you can borrow that from a friend or make one yourself. And bonus points for adding do-it-yourself friendship bracelets from her concerts. Number 4, electric car charger. Electric cars continue to be a hot topic in 2024, so you can transform yourself into an electric car charger. Use a cardboard box and paint to create the charging station, and then you can hold an electric razor with a cable attached to it or something similar to represent the pump or the charger that goes into the car. And that should bring your eco-friendly costume to life. Number 5, classic ghost with a twist. Ghosting is such a popular trend these days, especially in dating or in job interviews. It sucks, to be honest, but the least we can do is make fun of it, right? So this is a very easy look to recreate. All you need is a white sheet with some eye holes cut out in it so you can see, maybe decorate it if you want. And you can hold up a sign that says, "My last Tinder date," or "The last hiring manager that interviewed me." Number 6, quiet quitting office worker. So along similar lines, quiet quitting is still making headlines. People are just experiencing burnout, longer hours, and just feeling underappreciated. But you don't have to feel burned out from making this costume. All you have to do is wear a business casual outfit, hold a clock that says 5 p.m., and have a resignation letter prop. And bonus points, if you have a partner, you can have them dress up as your boss and have them yell at you to work harder and longer hours. Number 7, Golden Bachelor or Golden Bachelorette. Now, I normally don't watch the Bachelor or Bachelorette series, but I secretly love the golden versions. The people in there seem to be more grounded and mellowed out. They've already had families, and they're genuinely looking for love instead of using the series as a way to boost their fame or exposure. And I really enjoy watching the camaraderie and friendship develop between some of the contestants. I'm watching the Golden Bachelorette right now, and there are some real romances going on between those guys, even while they're competing for the affection of the Golden Bachelorette. Anyway, to create this costume, you can dress up as a senior version of yourself. Maybe have your hair be white or silver, put on some glasses or hearing aids, and then dress up in a fancy outfit. And you can hold a giant do-it-yourself rose that you can hand out to your special someone. Number 8, inflation fighter. So I think we've noticed that things are becoming more and more unaffordable with prices going up. Inflation might be haunting our wallets, but you can fight back this Halloween. So you can go as an inflation fighter superhero with a do-it-yourself cape, an eye mask, a cardboard shield with a dollar sign on it. You can stick a dollar sign on your chest and maybe even have a piggy bank accessory. Number 9, I voted sticker. So speaking of scary, how about these upcoming elections, huh? So get out there and vote for this I voted sticker costume this Halloween. So get a large circular piece of cardboard or a poster board, paint or print out a giant I voted sticker design onto it, and attach it to your chest or wear it as a sign. Dress in red, white, and blue or pair it with an Uncle Sam hat for extra patriotic vibes. Number 10, political ad for a TV commercial. We've all been inundated with political ads for the upcoming elections. Some of them are okay, and others are just downright ridiculous or funny. So create a political ad this Halloween where you're the political candidate. Create a cardboard TV screen around your body with your head poking out as the political candidate. Hold up a sign that says "Vote for," insert your name here. And add silly slogans or election promises around the TV frame, like "Make Halloween a federal holiday" or "Lower taxes on candy." So there you have it, 10 do-it-yourself costumes inspired by the biggest moments in 2024 that won't scare your wallet. So whether you're going to a Halloween party or trick-or-treating, these creative ideas will help you stay on trend and on budget. Please share in the comments below which of these Halloween costume ideas you're going to try, or other do-it-yourself costume ideas that you might have. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future content on financial fitness. So until then, have a happy Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video.